Hello and welcome everyone. Today's video I'm going to show here about to help you how you start to use AI beta. So first of all, this is gonna be about to help you when you ever you want to have to use the AI beta. It's already to be done on that when it's already to be about to be going on with the very good progress that is still already to be done on what is going on the way. So that is because we need actually to be knowing on everything that you go with the progress that is still to be on the moment that we have to start to see whether it's already about to go with in this in the moment that we can have to use AI beta. So you can actually see here the beta sync is about to go through the plugin. So AI beta is about to be over here. Figma version beta. This is gonna be about AI image to design. It's gonna be really one of things that it's gonna be help you a lot in this moment in this real site that we can actually start to use on the way that you want, and that's actually to be done on the moment where we actually see if it's really to be important to do. And that's all about, guys, to help you through this video, and thank you for watching and goodbye.